Hello and welcome to WheelchairVans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2014 Chrysler Town & Country equipped with the VMI North Star Infloor ramp. To operate the ramp, you will hit the key fob button here. This is going to open the door, deploy out the ramp, and it will also lower the vehicle. Let's head inside and check out the setup. So this is going to be the inflow ramp, and the width on this ramp is going to be 29 inches. Entrance height from the floor to the top of the door is going to be 55 inches. In the middle, you will have the wheelchair user. Going on to the back, you will have a bench seat that will fit 3 people. And in the front, you will have driver and passenger front removable seats. And this van here only has 45,000 miles. To bring the ramp back in, you will use your key fob once again to hit the same sliding door button like this. This is going to bring in the ramp, close the door, and raise the van back up. Let's go ahead and check out the rear hatch. This one's going to have the automatic liftgate. It will also have a backup camera. And back here you will have room for some storage, and this van will come equipped with a set of manual straps. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping, but if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and, of course, service the wheelchair ramp. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Let's go ahead and start up the van. So this van here has 45,000 miles. You'll also have a touchscreen infotainment system with a backup camera. This one is going to have the leather seats. And here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.